3D coat from scratch. In this session, we'll turn our rat's teeth into a usable asset to be exported for use in other applications. We'll also do some simple painting. First, let's rename our layers. Double-click on the layer name to rename it. Then just type the new name. Hide everything except the upper gums and teeth. Right-click on the upper gum layer, and from the menu, select Topo with MV Paint. Leave everything at its default and click through the next two dialogues. In the opening dialog, lower the virtual subdivision level and lower the resolution of the texture. Click OK. Return to the voxel room to do the same topo routine for the teeth. For this example, we'll leave everything at its default. Just click through all the dialogues and let topo do its work. Again, in the opening dialog, lower the virtual subdivision level and click OK. Press S and turn off the visibility of the symmetry plane. These colors may not be ideal, so let's adjust them. Click the color swatch and pick a more suitable color for the gums. Click the Fill tool icon and hold the preview window over to see how it will look. Left-clicking with the Fill tool on the gum area will fill just that area with the color and specularity that we've selected. Notice that the depth icon has been disabled, meaning we're not painting with any depth. Choose a color for the teeth. Click with the Fill tool on the teeth area. And click again to fill the remaining teeth. Now would be a good time to save our 3D coat model. Let's turn down our ambient and direct lighting so that we can get a more realistic view of how this will export. Next, return to the voxel room and repeat the same process for the lower gums and teeth. Once in the paint room, use the eyedropper tool to sample the color of the gums and transfer this, with the fill tool, to our lower gums. Return to the voxel room to run Autopo on the remaining layer, the lower teeth. Remember to leave all the Autopo settings at their default. Repeat the process of sampling the upper tooth color and filling the lower tooth layer. From the File menu, select File Export Object to save our tooth model in a format we can use in other applications. We'll assemble this object file together with our finished rat in another application. Thanks again for joining us in 3D Coat.